The Fraser Valley real estate market saw highs, lows, and ultimately a return to balance in 2022. Braden here from Remax Little Oak Realty, and welcome to my December 2022 housing market update. Prices reached their peak in early 2022, but by the second quarter, the bank was aggressively hiking their interest rates, which saw demand fall off dramatically and prices crash some 20 to 30%, depending on the type of home that you were looking at. In December, however, all of my metrics were getting clobbered. December was definitely a slow month. New listings fell by a whopping 55% from November to December, which put us, compared to the 10-year average, 30% below. Sales fell 17% month over month, another big drop. Inventory levels fell by 33% month over month. That put us some 17% below the 10-year average for inventory. So inventory levels are starting to slip away compared to the long-term average. In terms of demand, it's been hovering around 40 to 44% below the long-term average. You know, it's certainly not an environment where we have a tremendous number of people buying homes. Many people are on the sidelines waiting for rock bottom. They're waiting for that signal that prices have bottomed out. New listings, like I said, 30% below the 10-year average. So far in 2023, we have lower than average new listing intake. So it seems like the inventory crunch is going to persist into early 2023, and that may set the tone for the rest of the year. We are going to have more interest rate hikes, unfortunately, in 2023. It seems inevitable at this point that we will have one or possibly two more rate hikes. This is because we had a very strong national jobs report and we had higher than expected GDP growth. So right now, somewhat counterintuitively, the government wants to see an economy in decline because we want demand to taper off so that inflation starts to go away. Now, inflation has been stubborn, and the central bank is currently in a data-driven mode. So they want to see these metrics taper off, and then they can start easing off on the rate hikes. But at this point, it does look like we're going to see a couple more take place. Probably smaller ones because the bank doesn't want to overdo it and completely crash the economy. So if you guys have any questions about these numbers here, please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. And if not, I hope you have an excellent rest of your week.